How to get $20 Uber coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Uber coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working coupon code for Uber. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, GrabOn. After you open the website, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check 25% off, 15% off, $200 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. With that, you're going to get the code. Once you get the code, you can copy it, then click on Continue to Store. You'll be directed to the official website of Uber. Now you can log into your account, book your ride, and proceed to checkout. While you check out, you'll find this section of code. Over there, you can type in your code and confirm your ride. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. The process is same. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working coupon code for Uber. This way you can easily get $20 Uber coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.